So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today in this video we will discuss meta characters in Python. So meta characters are generally used to make your regular expressions more powerful. So in my previous videos we have written regular expression in very simple format in simple strings, but here from this video we will just type them in some complex manner, and instead of just discussing theory of meta characters, let's just type some code. So here in this video we will discuss dot meta character, and let's take one example to understand what dot meta character do. So here first import our re module, and then let's define a pattern. So r, and here g r, then we will use our dot meta character and then y. So here what this pattern mean is, here the string entered by you should match this pattern, and for matching this it should have g r, then here our meta character and then y. So what this dot meta character mean is, the string which you have entered can have any character instead of this dot here, and then also it will match this pattern. So let's just write our if statement, then match pattern, and then let's write here p in our third place and print match found. So here you can see match found is printed. So this is what dot meta character do. Here we have just entered grpy in our string, and it what our dot meta character do is, here gr is exact same present inside this pattern, and here inside of this dot you can have any character you want. Here instead of p I can write e if I want, and if I just hit the button for the output, you can say still match found is printed. So this is how dot meta character works. So thank you very much for watching this video, and in my next videos we will discuss some more meta characters in Python. So stay tuned for my next videos.